Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Liza's Cooking Paradise. It shows local and global tips and tricks of various cooking process. I have request to all those who haven't subscribed yet. If it will be liked by you, please don't forget to press the bell icon of subscription button for more videos just like this whenever I will post to avail in no time and without fail. Today I am going to make a very unique and traditional dish for you guys, which I have learned from my grandmother. I hope you will like the dish. This is a very old style, sometimes it seems somewhere to cook such food. I have tried as possible I can get at that. Before we start, let's see first ingredient have been used in it. It has been displayed on screen and description box. If you want, also note down from there. So let us know how to make. At first we have to make a mustard seed paste. You can see. We add into a grinder jar. Now we'll add black mustard seed, white mustard seed, raw cumin seeds, and some garlics, red dry chilies, and make a smooth paste. Now you can see it is ready. Keep on a side. Now we will start our second process. You can see I have kept all this before cleaning well. Now we are going to marinate it. First we will add turmeric powder, then some salt as per taste, and some chili powder. Now we will mix it properly and keep aside for 1 to half hour for proper marination. Now set a flat frying pan on stove and add some oil. After the oil is heated, then we will fry our fishes until it's turned golden brown. Now we can see how I will do it. You may also do it as per your convenience. After some time it will take little different color. Then we will turn it all gently unless it will break. You can see how I am doing one after another. After that, leave for some time until get it 75% cooked. Now you can see it is nearly done. Pick out one to a plate and keep aside for further use. Now our fish is ready, you can see it. Now set another pan and add oil and let it heat. Then add some chopped onion and some curry leaves. And fry it for a while. And then add some chopped tomatoes. We have to saute for a while until it's become softened. Now we will add some turmeric powder and some salt and stir gently. Now we will add previously made mustard paste and mix them properly. Take care not to heat on high flame and not for long time because here is mustard paste which will bitter. If you will do so, now we will add some water and let it boil properly. Now it's time to add main ingredient of our today's dish. After some times, you will know that the fish will be cooked. Now we have to switch off the stove and take it out in a plate. Now we will garnish it with some coriander leaves and hot with rice and chapati. I hope you may like. If you don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you want to can visit on our Insta and FB. I have linked on our description box. Thank you for watching.